Hello guys, today in this topic we are going to talk about some more operators. Let's open this slide and we will show you practically the practical programs of operator. Okay, open this one. Okay, we talk about today this topic. Sorry. Relational operator and some conditional operator, a logical operator. And in the previous video we were talking about assignment operator, arithmetic operator. Here I'm going to talk about relational operators, conditional operators, and logical operators. Okay, relational operators are those operators which are used to make relation between two operand, to variable, to values, to constant, or we use these operators to make compare them between, to make comparison between two variable, to object, to constant, to values. Okay, let's come to the Java program. Relational operators. Here we have greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. These two operators we use for equal to, or this is used for not equal to. So here I have declared two variables, sub1, subject 2, sub1 and subject 1, and sub 2 means subject 2, 34 and 54. Here we already know that sub 2 is greater than sub 1. So let me and always if it makes comparison, or when we compare two variable between two variables, we use these operators. It returns boolean data type, boolean type, so result. So here I have used sub 1 greater than or equal to sub 2, mean this one is greater than sub 2 if it is true. So true will be stored in s true. Say if it is not true, so false will be stored, and this variable is true variable. And if it is true, here I have used if condition. If it is true, so this statement subject 1 is greater. If it is not true, so this will not be printed out. So let me run this program. Okay, let's run this program. Then we have to wait for some time to execute this program. Now here is the output, because false mean the result is false. Sub 1 is greater than or equal to sub 2, mean it is not greater than sub 2, so the result is false. So if the result is false, so here the body of if statement will not be executed. So let me sub 2 greater than or equal to its sub 1. This body will be executed. Subject 1 is greater, sorry, subject 2 is greater, subject 1 is greater. Here false. Here false is printed because of this sub 1 is greater than or sub 2, means here the result is false. So because of that false is printed. So let here subject 1 greater than sub 1 mean subject 1 is greater than sub 1. No, it is false. False will be printed out. Sub 1 less than sub 2 mean sub bills true will be printed out, and for that sub 1 greater than sub 2, so false will be printed out, and sub 1 less than or equal sub 2 mean it is less than sub 2. Yes, true will be printed out, and sub 1 or equal to sub 2, nothing, because it is not equal, they are not equal to each other, so nothing will be false will be printed out. Sub 1 is not equal to sub 2 mean it is true, it is not equal, they are not equal, so true will be printed out. Yes, sub 1 greater than sub 2. Sub 1 greater than sub 2 mean this false is sub 1 greater than sub 2 mean this false, this is false because sub 1 is not greater than sub 2, and another false, it is also false because sub 1 is not greater than sub 2, and another sub 1 less than sub 2 mean it is true. Sub 1 less than true will be printed out, and then sub 1 less greater than or equal to mean false will be printed out, and after that sub 1 less than or equal to sub 2 true will be printed out, and after sub 1 is equal to sub 2 means false, and sub 1 is not equal to sub 2. So these are all about relational operators. Thank you so much, hope you understand. Thank you. Right.